my loves. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how we're going to make use of transitions and animations using CapCut. I've had a lot of questions saying CapCut is now turning almost all their features to pro. Not to worry, because we know how to put our way through it. So, I'm going to be teaching you basically how to do animations and transitions using CapCut. Basically, I'm going to be using my phone for this tutorial, so sit tight and enjoy. So basically, I'm starting off by entering into the CapCut. So yes, that's CapCut. I opened it and I clicked on New Project. So after that, I didn't know how to use like my videos again, so I just decided to go to the pictures section and clicked on 4 photos. You can see the photos I chose. I chose about 4 photos for this video. And right after that, I added it and it just automatically became a new project on its own. So you can see I'm just going through the videos, going through everything. So one thing I want you to know is that animations and transitions, that are like editing effects I can use to enhance your video flow and can also make the clips more engaging. So I decided to click on that arrow, that box that was there. Clicking on it, that is the transition. So after I clicked on it, I'm just showing you the effects that we have: the distortion, the basic slide marks, and all of that. So I just decided to choose an effect to show you how it will look like. I think I chose which one was I again? I chose this effect here. Now I went over to distortion, so I chose that shorter. I'm not going to show you how it looks like. So you can actually see that I applied it to all the clips. That you can see, I just went over the video, then started showing you how the transition is looking like. It does make it have that look, like that kind of like smooth look. From the start, the way the video was in the start is quite different from how it is now after I've added this transition. So you can see that it's making the video look like popping up and just making it look kind of aesthetic. So I noticed that the transition was not swift enough for the video. So I decided to go over to the transition and just try to reduce it so that it can become faster. You just get this flow. So that's it for transition, guys. Then I went over to animations. I clicked on animations. For me, I really love using this slide left and slide right. Professional and looks very chic. So I just clicked on it. Then I'm showing you how it looks like. I applied it. I not actually applied it to all clips. You can see how it looks like pretty much. It just gave the clip this kind of very nice effect. So I still went over to reduce the transition to make it pop up faster. So as you can see, I also applied it to all the clips. Then I just went over again to show you how it looks now. So you can see it just gives it this banging look. So now I discovered that the clip is too long and it's making it look very exhausting. So I decided to split it and cut away the parts that I will not be used. I did it to each and every one of the clip. I click on the clip, then just try to delete the parts that I wouldn't be using. Just make it shorter and make it faster. So you can see that's what I'm doing right now. Then I went over to the starting to just show you how it looks like after I finished cutting it out. So you can see just giving it this look. Then this is the way to add transitions to your videos. And then I also went over to animations. This slide left, I just clicked on it. I tried to reduce it, yes, to make it faster too. Then I went over to it to show you how it looks like. I still went over to the second clip. I think I did it to all the clips. Then just look at it. So that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please tell me what next you want to be recreating in the comment section. So thank you all for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe and share.